Hi everyone, my name is Venaburi, and in this video I'm just excited to present the Android application I developed for my assignment. This app is just a simple user registration form built using Kotlin and XML in the Android Studio. The app demonstrates key Android concepts like multi-screen navigation using intents, input validation, and view binding of essential UI access. Let's start with taking a quick look of like source code, and then I'll show you the app in the action. This is main activity, and this is registration activity, and this is thank you activity. This is the each activity has its own layout file written in the XML. In main activity, I use view binding to access UI elements without find view biology, and using the go registration page button is I click it launches the register activity using the intent. Um, and registration activity, this is the core of the app. In registration activity, I capture the user's input using the binding and validate it before moving on. And it here how is validate works. Like it checks if the email and confirm email field matches. It does not. It does the same for the password and the confirm password. It also ensures that the users has accepted the terms and conditions. If any of these conditions fail, a toast message is shown. Otherwise, it passes the full name to the next activity using the intent. Um, ne- Thank you activity. In thank you activity, I receive the username from the previous screen and shows a personalized welcome messages. This is also the button returns from the users to splash screen. Well, each screen has a separate layout form like written in XML. For example, registration screen, it's accent checkbox and a button. I use the view binding so every component is strongly typed, making it easier to handle the for input. So let's run the app. It's gonna take a while time. Let's see. Uh, See, it's come. When the app launches, we see the splash screen with a simple button labeled to go registration page. This acts for the starting point of our app. Let's go to the registration page. Here in the registration page, like this user is asking for the enter the first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password. And let's type something. I'll give my name. Wait, no. Hmm. I'm just gonna small password like 1234, and I have to click this. I have to agree, and when I go to the registration page, mm, once everything I filled out correctly, the app moves to the thank you screen and will display the welcome message using the full name entered like thank you for registration, welcome Venaburi. And there is also a button to go back to the home page. When I click on to go to home, it's gonna take me to the again the back to the home page. Well, to summarize, the Android app demonstrates key concepts such as like multi-activities, form validation, intents, and view binding. It's a simple project, but it builds a strong foundation for the real-world Android development. Thanks for watching my demo. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you next time in next video.